In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted photos on your laptop. Have you ever accidentally deleted a cherished photo and then realized it's no longer in the recycle bin? It may seem like those pictures are lost forever, but today we're diving into a simple technique that might help you bring them back. First, let's head over to your File Explorer. You want to open this up because it's your go-to tool for navigating through your folders and files. Once you have it open, the next thing you need to do is locate the folder where your photos were originally stored before they were deleted. It's crucial to pinpoint exactly where they were because this is where you'll begin the recovery process. Keep in mind that knowing the original location of the deleted files is essential for the method we're about to use. With the folder open, you're going to right-click in the empty space inside it. A context menu will appear showcasing a bunch of different options you can choose from. The option you want to focus on is Restore Previous Versions. This feature is a helpful Windows function that can retrieve older versions of files and folders, particularly useful in cases of accidental deletions or unintentional changes. By clicking on Restore Previous Versions, you'll see a list of available versions of that folder if there are any. These versions are created by Windows as part of its system protection features, so having this turned on in advance is a prerequisite. If you have such versions listed, it means you're in luck. Select the latest version from before the time you deleted the photos, ensuring it contains the files you're looking to recover. Now you have two main options. You can either open this version to check if it contains the photos, or you can restore the entire folder to this previous state. Opening it allows you to view the contents without making changes, offering a bit more security if you're unsure. If you're confident, you can proceed with the restoration. Restoring will essentially undo any changes made after the selected point, so be cautious with data you've added since then, as they might be overwritten or lost. That's the basic rundown of how to use the Restore Previous Versions feature to recover your photos. It's a straightforward process, but relies heavily on Windows having created those previous versions as backups beforehand. If this happened recently, chances are higher that the versions will be available. Otherwise, it might be time to explore specialized recovery software or backup services for future use. I hope this tutorial helps you get back those precious memories. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like these.